Super Typhoon Yolanda hit the central Philippines and caused a lot of damages to the lives, livelihood, and properties of the Filipino people. Among the affected are the indigenous peoples in the islands of Panay, Mindoro, and Palawan. At least 50 indigenous communities of Tumandok, Ati, Hanunuo, Buhid, Bangon, Alangan, and Tagbanwa were directly affected by the typhoon. Houses were destroyed by the strong winds and falling trees, and other houses and communities were flooded. In Tapaz, about 80 to 100% of the houses have been destroyed. The indigenous people's crops and farms were also devastated. Some villages are impassable because of landslides and debris blocking the roads. Their islands in the province of Palawan are inaccessible because all their boats were destroyed. Initial data gathered shows that at least 9,000 indigenous people families were in need of immediate assistance. We are appealing for your support for the relief and rehabilitation operations for these indigenous people's communities.